In this video, we will create a movie or game title animation using the trim path concept. So let's start the video. First, create a composition and give a composition name that you want. Now take a text tool and type on the screen whatever the title that you want. If you like to change font style, size, and color, you can change it. Now take a pen tool and make sure fill is off and stroke is on. Before start tracing above the text, make sure text layer is not selected. The stroke should cover entire text area. Now go inside the stroke layer, click on Add option, click on Trim Path. Now go inside the trim path and you can 3 option. At the end option in the beginning of the timeline, make it 0 and click on stopwatch to create a keyframe. Go forward for 1 second and make end value to 100. Now you can see the path animation is happening. Now click on keyframe and press F9 to easy to smooth the animation. Now duplicate the same stroke layer and go inside the content of the duplicated layer by pressing letter U double time. Select the shape 1 and press delete button to delete the shape, and then take pen tool again and trace the next portion of the text. Do this same process until you cover entire text. Now it's looking good. Here you can see there are some dots are present. We can use the ellipse shape tool and create a scale animation. Create a stopwatch in the beginning and make scale value to 0. Go forward 1 second and make it 100. Change anchor point of an ellipse shape. Make easy and change the graph to change the timing of the animation. Now duplicate the same layer and repeat the same process for all the dots. Now we create an offset for the animation by moving each layer forward for few frames one by one. Now we play the animation, it looks really good. Now select all the stroke layer and right-click and click on Pre-Compose. Then give name for the comp and select the option which I selected Bellow. If you double-click on the pre-composed comp, you can see all the layer which we created. Now we need to use track matte for masking. If you're not able to find track matte option on timeline, then click on toggle switch option. Now change the track matte option of text layer to pre-composed layer, which is trim path comp layer. Now you can see the original text animation. Now I will add background image. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-H to fit the image to screen. then I will add vignette effect to image from Effects control panel. If you don't find Effects and Preset option on right side, then go to Windows, in menu bar select Workspace. And click on All panel. Now we will add Gaussian blur to the image. And animate the blur value from Effects controller. Now let's add a background music for elevate the animation. Let's extend the timeline because it was 5 seconds. Press Ctrl K or Command K for composition settings. Then increase the value of duration to 10 seconds. Next, select the layers and extend it by dragging to right side from edge of the layers. Now let's do the scale animation for text. For that we need to add one no layer. Right-click left side of timeline. Then click on New and click on Null Object. Then parent the pre-composition layer and text layer to No layer. Press S for Scale Transform Properties. Click on Stopwatch to create a keyframe. Then move to end of the timeline and increase the value of scale. Like this, you can create a text animation using trim path.